Good afternoon to all. First of all, I like to thank Digital Learning, give us an opportunity to speak in front of you. Before I initiate my speech, I would like to some brief about my company. It's a cyber food technology. Basically, we are in cyber security course. We are an ISO 9001, 27001 certified. We had accredited member of IADL UK and USA DLA. And we have a strategic alliance with EC Council USA, the highest certification body in the world of cyber security. Today, I'm discussing about the cyber security, the risk and the rewards. So what were the key elements thought about alive them cyber security? Defend the virtual burglar. Nurture the budding professional, secure the physical and virtual system. Lucrative career. Defend the virtual world. ITs play a dominant role in the current economy trade. As IT simplified our work in all aspects, it also called for the cyber threat. Cyber criminals have found a new way to invade the economy and to terrorize the nation with the use of IT. Though how India has as an IT superpower, still India needs 5 lakh cyber security professionals by the end of 2015. In my words, protection of critical and public-private information infrastructure and provides well-educated information assurance and cyber security at all professional levels. What is required to achieve cyber security mission was to build R&D, research and development. In India, we have only 556 cyber security experts, and compared to China have 25 million cyber security experts. In USA, 91,000 cyber security experts. But in India, 556. But India requires more than 5 lakh cyber security expert by the end of 2015. Security awareness issue and processes. We are not aware of, several people are not aware of cyber threat nowadays. Security risk assessment, management, policy, laws, rights management, nurture the budding professional, train professional for all, not just Indian but global. Building a stronger connect between the technology and the professional, region-centric teams. Building in-user engagement, shorter format cyber experts. Secure the virtual world. We are living the world where internet played very dominant role in day-to-day life. In India, 2 billion people are using internet nowadays. Today, there are more than 2 billion people online who need to be protected, need skill-based professional for combating cyber security. Security will flow the growth of business. Trust is critical to build customer confidence, and trust comes only through the safety. Global clients are increasingly demanding high level of compliance data, security, privacy, and cyber security regulation, magnifying the rage not just in India but across the globe. The need for cyber expert has grown day by day. And what are the followed and lucrative career? A beginner can initiate his career from 2 to 3 lakh per annum, and experienced a person get 10 to 12 lakh per annum. India need 5 lakh cyber security professionals by the 2015 to support its fast growing internet economy as per and estimated by the Union Ministry of Information and Technology. Jobs will come up across the industry in public as well as private sector. The financial sector alone expected to hire over 2 lakhs people, while telcos, utilities, sector, power, oil, gas, airline, government will hire the rest. Achieving win-win performance. Because in India, we have only 556 cyber security experts, but we expect 5 lakh cyber security. The demand and supply is unmatched. Demand is much more higher than the supply. So great opportunities, the person who are doing BTech or MCA or BCA. BTech with cyber security, the probability of getting job is much more higher than the simple BTech. Growing business, offering new experience, cyber security spending globally would continue an upward trajectory, reaching 86 billion in 2016 from 16 billion in 2012. And the winning continues. Thank you very much.